So I think it's time we start painting. It's August, first part of August, and I think I really need to get going at this. So this is just to show you where we ended last year. We did quite a bit of priming. You see I have some scallops to put on there. And then over here you can see a big branch fell. And it must have hit this roof because I see a dent on the drip edge there. So I'm going to go up with a ladder and take a look at that. But then I did a bunch of nailing over here last fall, and a bunch of this is probably ready to prime. But what I'm going to do is do some prep right now. Prep for about 2 hours. Maybe do the framing on, or the molding on this window here. I need to make it look like this. I need to do a bunch of caulking. And then over in here there was a problem. I was having a hard time hitting studs. So I need to take another look at that and see where we're at and try to hit them. If I can't, I suppose I could resort to some screws. But they're only going to be hitting the siding then. There's got to be some studs in there. I know this is an add-on, so I don't know exactly what they did there, but there has to be some studs there someplace. So I need to find them. And then we have moldings on these two windows here. We did the molding around the door here, so we need to do some caulking, scraping, and then I need to decide what I'm doing down here. Now over here, I had done the slate. That would look really cool, but there might be some other ideas for here. I need to keep this area right here so we can nail onto for some steps. So, and then I need to fill this in or something. I need to disguise this, some molding or something here. I don't want bugs running up through there. Although I suppose there's always places they can get in. But I need to cover this up and make it look a lot better. So that's where we're starting. Over here I went up higher when I had the taller ladder, so I could bring the big ladder out and work on all this, try to get this all painted. And then when we bring the lift in here, I would only focus on the top parts. So that's another thing. So right now I'm going to prep and then get painting. And we got all this up in here too. It takes time to paint all that, but it needs to be done. And we can start putting color on here. So time to get going.